The Secret Night Train. Leo is a young boy. He loves adventures. One evening, Leo walks near the train station. He sees a strange train. It is black with glowing red lights. The train is empty. No driver, no passengers. But the door opens slowly. Leo feels scared, but also curious. He steps inside. Inside the train, everything is dark. A soft voice says, "Welcome, traveller. You can go anywhere, but you must be careful." Leo looks around. There are no people, only strange glowing maps on the walls. The train starts moving. Outside the window, Leo sees mountains, rivers, and forests he has never seen before. Suddenly, the train stops in a foggy forest. A glowing path appears outside. Leo steps off the train. He sees a small village. The village is empty. But then he hears whispers. "Follow the light." Leo follows a glowing lantern through the village. He finds a hidden door under an old tree. Inside the door is a room full of clocks. Every clock shows a different time. A small creature with wings flies to Leo. It says, "You have entered the world of lost time. If you want to go home, you must fix one clock." Leo chooses a broken clock. He listens carefully, moves the hands slowly, and hears a click. The room glows bright. Suddenly, Leo is back on the train. The train moves again and stops at the station. Leo steps out. It is morning. Everything looks normal, but he feels different. He smiles. He knows he has had a real adventure. From that day, Leo always watches the night trains. He wonders if the secret train will come again.